Getting your first 1,000 subscribers is pretty tough. So in this video, I'm gonna give you 5 tips on how to get your first 1,000 subscribers and fast. What's going on, guys? It's Trey, aka the Common Advisor, and welcome to my channel. And to my new people like Mama J and the Absurd Hero, salute. So on this channel, I do reviews on products, I do lifestyle advice, and I show you how to make money online. But on this video, I'm gonna tell you how to get 1,000 subscribers and get them fast. And I'm talking about in a few months kind of fast. Some people it takes like a year, 2 years. No, with these tips, you're gonna get them in a few months. And if you really go hard, you might can have your first 1,000 subscribers before the end of this month. So we'll try to make that goal. So let's get straight into it. All right, so my number 1 tip is to start. This is the biggest hiccup when it comes to new YouTubers and people that's just really getting into it or thinking about starting a YouTube channel. I know for me, the biggest thing that I was worried about is I didn't have the right equipment, and as far as cameras, lighting, sound, and all that kind of crazy stuff, right? But I'm here to tell you, if you have a smartphone, that's all you need. All my videos are shot on my smartphone, and I know there's gonna be some trolls, but like, we can tell. Well, look, it is what it is. I do have a very expensive camera, but I learned that my camera phone, my iPhone, actually does everything I need. It shoots the video in high quality HD. I'm able to edit it. I'm able to put it on different platforms. So that's all I really needed. And I do have a lamp, with a good lighting. And I'll put all the stuff that I use in the description below. If you want to go check it out, if you want to go buy it or do whatever you want to do, but just start. I got some friends that's on YouTube right now. Kim Bella ASMR. I'll put a link to her channel in the description. She does eating videos. And my guy Ron Renfrey, he does motivational speaking. He has a YouTube channel. And when they came to me about the YouTube channel, they saw me. They were friends of mine. It was like, Trey, in the device, blah, this, blah, blah, blah. My first thing to tell them was just to start. That's the biggest hump, just to start. Just put your first video out there. Somebody's gonna wanna hear what you gotta say. And if you have a good personality or you're funny, somebody's gonna watch your video and you will be surprised about how many views you get and how YouTube helps you as far as like getting your views up and getting your subscribers up, because you're new to the platform. They want you to stay, so they're gonna help you out a little bit. Had to get the smoke break. If you don't know, yes, I do smoke hookah. I got some hookah videos on here. If you into that kind of thing, look at my channel, man. I got different kind of videos about hookah. So that's what I do. I like to chill and make some really personal videos. But anyway, that's besides the point. So we're gonna get into step number 2. Step number 2 is to plan. And as you notice, I'm looking down at a piece of paper, and that goes great into the step number 2. When you're in front of the camera, you're gonna forget stuff, all right? So you wanna plan out your video. You wanna have, for me, I get a piece of paper and I just write out intro. And then I put out number 1. And number 1 is probably gonna be my first tip. I'll put little bullets under there, things I wanna say. And then, I do number 2, number 3. When you're planning out videos, it just helps and eases things. It just makes your mind at ease. You're not trying to worry about what you're gonna say and what you're gonna talk about. Just write out what you feel and just go off of that. But you need something, there written in stone to plan on your videos. And once you start learning how to plan one video, you can start planning out multiple videos. I know when I first started, I sucked at planning videos. So it took me hours just to make one video because I was worried about messing up here, forgetting this, and I want to insert this. It was just bad. So plan out your videos. That's step number 2. All right, so if you're still with me, please keep on to the end because I'm gonna give a free gift out.
Charles, thank you very much.
That's right, a free gift at the very end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned and go through all these steps. And hey, this free advice to help you get to your 1,000 subscribers. And you need 1,000 subscribers to start getting paid on YouTube. So I think this is a pretty good deal. My advice number 3, step number 3 is to be social. This is a social platform, so you want to hook all of your other social platforms to this one. So that means your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram. You want to have these all lined up with your YouTube. I have an Instagram page and I also have a Facebook fan page that's linked to my YouTube page. So if I make something on my YouTube, I make sure to go to my Instagram page and I post a video about it. I post a post about saying, hey, like today after this video, I'm gonna make a post on Instagram saying, hey, would you, do you want to get 1,000 subscribers, or you trying to get subscribers of some kind of catchy, eye-catching, that people are gonna like, and I'm gonna put a link in the bio to that so they can come back over to YouTube. I'm also gonna go to my Facebook profile and type out a post about getting subscribers on YouTube, and then put the link to this video in that post, bring them back over to YouTube. And that's how you're gonna start building up your client base or your subscriber base. People are gonna start seeing your videos. Don't just limit yourself to YouTube. Don't just put a YouTube video up and expect people just to find it, because it doesn't happen that way at the beginning. But towards like the end, like towards when you start getting to like your first 100 subscribers, YouTube gives you a boost. You'll get 500, you kind of plateau a little bit, but they want to see you market yourself. So that's gonna be the best way to be social. Another thing about being social is to comment. No matter what the comment is, good or bad, at least heart it. The reason being because you're interacting with the people that's watching your video. And also when people comment on your videos and you heart it and you just say little simple things like thanks for watching, or you just reply to whatever they said, that lets them know that you were there. You're a real person and you saw their stuff. You took out the time to say hey to them or say what's up to them. It's just kind of like, your favorite artist. If you're walking in the store and you see your favorite artist and you say something to your favorite artist and they don't say anything bad, you're gonna feel some type of way. But if they just wave at you or smile or just say what's up, how's your day, it just makes your day and makes you want to go even harder for them. So that's what you want to do for your channel. Anytime somebody comments anything, make sure you heart it, at least heart it, or try to comment on it, good or bad. It doesn't matter. It's gonna help your channel out in the long run. All right, my fourth tip is be consistent. Now, this is a hard one for me. Reason being because I do have another online business and I got other things going on. But if you really want your channel to explode, you have to be consistent. Now, what do I mean by this? This doesn't mean that you have to shoot a video every single day. This doesn't mean that you have to shoot a video every other day, which that is nice. If you shot a video every day, your channel will explode super fast, but everybody doesn't have time for that. So what you want to do is pick how you want to put out videos. So if you're going to put out one video a week, then put out one video a week and do that. And that's it. The reason being because YouTube sees that you're consistent and they will ramp up and get the audience ready. They will start shooting like kind of ads and different kind of videos to YouTube watchers kind of about what your video is about or what your channel is about. So when your video comes out, they're already warmed up, they're primed, they're ready to watch your video, and YouTube's gonna put your video out at that time because they know you're gonna be there and you're gonna show up. But if you're putting out one video this week on this day, and then the next week you put out 3 videos, and then you take off 6 months, and then you pop out 5 of them, YouTube doesn't know where you're at, so they're just gonna put you anywhere. So you have to be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to YouTube and their YouTube algorithm. And man, any person on YouTube is gonna tell you that you have to be consistent when it comes to being a YouTuber. Number 5, which is my final tip, is to learn SEO and learn about software. But before I start talking about that, let me get another hit of this hookah. All right, so had to go and hit that one more time. All right, so learn about software. Some of my favorite software, or my favorite software for YouTube, is TubeBuddy. Now, TubeBuddy allows you to go and see tags of other videos. Now, why is this important? Tags help you rank on YouTube. I have a video about the Crown Royal Peach that came out, and my video was ranking #1. I think it still ranks #1 for that keyword, Crown Royal Peach. It ranks #1 because that was the keyword that I used, and I kind of did some spying with the TubeBuddy app. But TubeBuddy also allows you to see your competition's tag words. It allows you to see your competition's analytics. It allows you to, they tell you pretty much what you need to do for your video to help your video rank. And ranking is key because your video is ranked in the top 10 videos, is more likely to get seen. Even if somebody just clicks on it and watch 1 second of it, somebody still saw it, and YouTube likes that, so they're gonna give you a little boost. So you need to go check out a software called TubeBuddy. I'll talk about that in the description below. You can go check that out. Also with TubeBuddy, they have a affiliate program, and my link is not going to be an affiliate link. I'm not trying to really make money off of this video like that. So just go down there. It's free. You can go get that. Check it out. it'll really help your video. And I want to say I have a video on YouTube. I got so many videos on here, so I'm not sure. But if I don't, leave a comment below and then let me know about that. You know, say I want to know about TubeBuddy, and I'll make a video about it. And then another thing you want to do is learn SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. Now this goes in hand with, it's got a little more advanced with Instagram and websites and all that. But your tags that you use in your videos, you want to use those same kind of tags in your Instagram posts, on your Facebook, because these tags are going to link to your YouTube page and help you rank better. And like it's insane like how SEO can help you. And some of this stuff seems vague and you're like, man, how is this gonna really help me get to 1,000 subscribers? Trust me, if you do these tips, if you do these 5 tips, your subscribers are gonna grow crazy, I promise you. So one more thing I want to say before I give y'all the free gift that I promised earlier in the video is you want to tell your friends and family about it. Your friends and family are going to help you get that first initial boost. Tell them that you got a YouTube channel so they can start watching it, get your YouTube views up and just get it rolling. Even if it's 1 or 2 views, you know, that'll give you motivation. You'll be like, oh man, I got a view, and you'll get excited. And then when you get that first subscriber, that first 10 subscribers, man, it just does something to you. It makes you want to put out more videos about whatever your topics are or whatever. And you know, once you pick your niche or your specific whatever you're talking about, it's just gonna make you want to grow and put out more information. And then your friends and family are gonna hold you accountable because they're gonna be asking like, hey, when you gonna put out another video? Or I like that video, or I didn't like that video, or whatever. And you're gonna want to put out more videos to help satisfy that need. All right, so like I said, if you stay to the end of the video, appreciate it so much. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I make another video like this. But in the description below, I'm gonna give you a free PDF. That's right, a free PDF, and it's gonna tell you about YouTube. It's gonna tell you how not only to use YouTube, but how to make money from YouTube. And that's the biggest thing that a lot of people are trying to do right now, learning how to make money from YouTube. But you gotta get 1,000 subscribers. So do these tips and then get that free PDF. Look at that PDF, read that PDF, and it's gonna tell you some stuff about how to make money online, how to get the money from YouTube, and how to get YouTube to pay you to make videos. This is a passive income. Once I shoot this video, it's out there and it's gonna get seen multiple times, hundreds and hundreds times again, and it's gonna make me money hundreds and hundreds times again. So get that, make sure you get that PDF, read it. All you have to do is just get an email and I'll send it straight to you. As soon as you get the email, as soon as you give me your email, it's gonna come straight to your email, and you would look at it, read it, and implement some of the strategies in there to start making money on YouTube. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped. Let me know in the comments below what's your subscriber count, what's your goals for getting 1,000 subscribers, and if this video helped you get 1,000 subscribers, like I said, subscribe to the channel if you want to. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when I'm about to make another video. And until next time, you are royalty.